And we are back at it again, folks, right here at the YouTube channel. I wanted to show you what we've been able to do working with the customer's existing landscape in order to provide them the ultimate landscape transformation. We were able to install these beautiful crab orchard steps, which was just enough to elegantly involve what was necessary on this landscape. It's going to be able to get the customer from point A to point B, and as you can see, one of the most important things that you need anytime you're doing some type of design like this is the ability to be able to take on all of that water that's coming in on this landscape. So we're going to be able to do that effectively with this beautiful landscape transformation. And we also did a nice remodel right here on this existing home, just to show you that we're one of a kind, folks, capable of handling your remodeling and landscaping needs. But I just want to continue to take you through this landscape, show you what we were able to do. Tremendous amount of water that was coming off of this hillside. We've been able to slow that down and eliminate that by providing them with this beautiful custom pea gravel walkway. And as you can see, it was elegantly designed in order to accommodate the lifestyle of this customer. Just what we do right here. Wanted to show you guys this beautiful landscape transformation, and also provide you with another opportunities for DIY. Maybe you're a customer, maybe you're a landscaper. Here's a nice way in which you can provide the customer with another extra value to the landscape with these beautiful crab orchard steps. Get you from point A to point B. Most importantly, it's going to give you every single thing you need right here at Brooks Landscaping.